Yo guys, let's talk again about BAX BABB. So I covered this one through a technical analysis thanks to Ichimoku last 2 days ago on the 13th. And indeed, what I was expecting happened. I'm not telling the futures, all right? I'm not a fortune teller or anything. I just use Ichimoku, and as per Ichimoku, it was kind of evident that something was going to happen. And you can see that on the 13th, we were at 0.305690, and now we are at 65.99. So we got a massive increase here, massive. So we went about 15% up to even 22% at some point from the head of our candle. And I see it again today through something is happening. So if we look at here, we can see it's accumulating. Okay, we don't have much indication from our cloud here, the SSA and the SSB, because it's not pointing up. It doesn't tell us much, right? It's kind of ranging. But you clearly see we have a pullback. We had a pullback here, and now we have a run. We are inside a run. Now, what is interesting through the Ichimoku cloud, it's happening quite a lot of time, often. We got our candle once on this SSA flying above it. So it happens that it stays around it. It stays the next day, and it just flies around it for a while. Another interesting thing we can see here is it seems like we are trying to go touch our Tenkan daily here, which is as well the Kijun daily. So it's a massive resistance. Of course, once we get there, it's possible, well possible, we're getting a pullback again, or maybe finally we get above. We will be testing it, but I think we're going to go with our candle and test it now. Now, what I can see on a 4 hours time frame, I think that was on the 4 hours, maybe, or on a 1 hour. Pop. Let me see. We got a massive candle that happened just before, around 8 p.m. New York time. Now this new candle will be completed in about I'm not sure. Okay, I can't tell you exactly when. Oh yes, in 45 minutes. My bad. And you see we are touching now our EMA 200. So that's also another indication that might tell us we're going to get above our MACD here. We see this line here is getting above the 0. So it seems we are in a bullish trend, even if now we are back down a bit. We lost how many percent here? So use this tool. We lost 6% within almost 4 hours. 3 hours, 3 hours and 15 minutes. We lost quite a lot, but there is still an opportunity because, like I was telling you, it seems like we're going to test. So now we're going down, testing the Tenkan 4 hours. And if it doesn't work, if we reject it, we go back on our run and keep up toward our Tenkan daily. So we will enter this cloud, which is quite large. So we have all the possibilities going on here, and go touch above. So I think it's an interesting coin. We do see here some doji candles. So on a 4 hours candle time frame, it's well possible we get down here and then go back here. So we can have maybe 1, 2, 3. We got about 12 hours maybe where it can go bearish, and then within 12 hours we can go back into our candle if it's not happening right away. Okay, so that's another interesting indication. But I think we're going to fly above on our SSA. Now we need to look closer into it. You guys watch out if you're into this token. I think there is some money to be made. So good luck. Take care. I see you on another technical analysis, and you guys have a good afternoon. Bye bye.